Today I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to make a Google site. Please follow along. What you can see is my actual screen, and so if I was to open a new tab, I would get my 9-dot thing over here, and I have to go to Sites. Google Sites makes this so easy for you. Be sure not to click on Create. I wish they would change this, but they don't. You have to go down to New Google Sites and click on that. Now, as you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and I have quite a few of them, and students have shared them with me. All right, so we're going to create something that looks like this. I'll click on my Lessons in Literature one for an example. This has already been done. This is my husband Paul and me, and as you can see, I have added some various things on here, like a logo, what is a Pekakucha video, a song, happy people. I've also up here titled the page, and I have different areas that have different information. So up here I have different pages that you can go to on my website. Essential questions. You can put anything that you want on here. Things to note that when you see a document like this, there is, where is it now? I'm going to click on it. There is this box right here. When you click on that, it's opening it in a new tab. So you'll see we just switched from this tab to this tab, and that tab is taking me to the complete document. So as you create your page, don't flip out if you can't see the whole thing. In fact, I could make this really small. I actually like that better, so I could add other essential questions. If you have more than what this space up here will allow for pages, they all get added down into the More category, right? So as you can see, this is from grade 7 to build a fire, but also from college writing. So I've added a lot of things to this particular page. Let's say I want to add another page to here. What I need to do is go over to Pages. Now, notice over here on the right, this is a little confusing and backwards to me, and it might be to you as well, because you have to go to Pages and then to Insert. So I'm on this page, and if I want to insert something into this page, I click on Insert. But if I want to create a new page, I have to click on the plus sign. Everything in Google is a plus sign. So I'm going to open a new page, and I'm going to title this, I don't know, Class 2021. Okay, so all of the, let's just say English 10, Class 2021. Now I have a new page. If I want to insert some information into there, I go Insert. Now you'll notice it changed over here on the right. I can change the layout, and you can have some fun with that. But I can also scroll down here. If I want to introduce a slideshow, it opens up my slideshows. So let's say I want to talk about how to persuade in a formal letter or an email, or AP language, or summer institutes, or we saw this public speaking one earlier. Okay, so now I've added that into English 10 class. Yay. I also want to add maybe a document. So now I'm going to open all of my documents, and anything that I click on is going to go onto this page. If I click it once, then I have to click Insert again. If I click it twice, it automatically goes here. This is a variation on the single point rubric. So yay, I can make that as large or as small as I want. Okay, that is also now in the English 10 Class 2021 page. When I'm done, I'm going to publish it. And that just means that it's going to stay there and Mrs. Shank can read it. You will notice when you go to the actual page over here, you have a couple of options. You can check header type. You can explore some different options over here. You can trash it. You can change the color palette. You can duplicate sections. You can also go over here and click on themes and choose the different theme that you might want for your page. There's not a gazillion options, but there are some. And note that you can add 100 items to here if you want. I have never clicked on Schoology link before. I'm not sure that I want to right now. So anyway, mess around with that. They're constantly adding more things. You can share it with others. You can go into settings. You can duplicate the site, take a tour, go to version history and see, I could do that and see what's been going on. What is in the publishing options? It just gave me the themes. Publishing options. Review and change. Review changes and publish. Okay. So I think I did that already. But very simple. And as you go to begin, you're going to have your home screen up. You're going to click on New Tab, go to the 9 dot, and go to Sites. This site follows you anywhere. It'll follow you after you graduate here. You can add things from other classes. You could create a new site, and your pages could just be one page for each class. So your first page would be my school year 2021, okay? Now I'm going to add a page. So I'm going to title that page English, all right? So that's done. I'm going to add another page. I want a social studies page, okay? Done. You'll see they go up here. And then when I want to put things in there, I will insert items. Might be a nice way to organize all of your things. The end.